Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA. After the finalization of GHL engine deal, focus now has been shifted to the Cabinet Committee of Security approval of the HAL Amca program. To facilitate for the development of the program, Aeronautical Development Agency has asked for approximately 15,000 crore of funding for the development of 4 number of prototypes. The AMCA project reflects the India's domestic defense capabilities. By developing a 5th generation fighter aircraft, India aims to bolster its domestic defense manufacturing setups to a new height and to reduce the foreign dependency for high-tech defense equipments. However, critics argue that AMCA Mk1 design lacks at least 3 basic 5th generation fighter aircraft features, that is super cruising ability, super maneuverability using thrust vectoring nozzles and rear end stealth design, because the selected GE414 engines lacks the required thrust, did not have the thrust vectoring nozzles and lacks the air signature suppression features of the engine exhaust. As per GEHL partnership agreement, the baseline GE414 IN6 engines will be for the LCA Mk2 program only. A new engine could be developed for the AMCA program using the GE's new ceramic matrix composite core technology, which will be developing a thrust of 116 kN. The super cruising of HAL Amca can be achieved using these new engines. If we study the contemporary 5th generation fighter aircraft designs like J-20, Sukhoi 57, Korea's Ka-21 and Turkey's Can fighter jet, except American F-22 designs, none of the above mentioned fighters possesses the complete stealth design features like rear end stealth and thrust vectoring nozzles. If we compare the Indian program with other countries, except engine, all other critical technologies for the AMCA program has been developed by India indigenously, where other countries adopted a joint development approach. Since the HAL Amca has completed the critical design review stage, it means that all the systems and subsystems can proceed into fabrication, demonstration and test and can meet stated performance requirements within cost, schedule and the risk. As per the DRDO officials, 16 aircraft systems were assessed in the system level critical design review, which includes hydraulics, cockpit avionics, integrated vehicle health management system, electrical, the weapon systems and the internal weapons bay. The Aeronautical Development Agency or ADA is parallelly developing all the active and passive sensors required for HAL Amca program, out of which many of the critical components has either been developed or in development stage. One of the major system is the gallium arsenide based Uttam AESA radar, which has been developed and integrated in the LCA projects, and currently a gallium nitride based AESA radar is under development for future programs. The Instrument Research and Development Establishment or IRDE is working with 2 private sector startups to develop 2 prototype units of electro-optical targeting system or EOTS for the testing, validation and certification. The IRDE EOTS will allow AMCA to detect, track and target enemy positions without using the radar. The EOTS will also allow the aircraft to perform the air-to-ground missions, reconnaissance and surveillance missions. The other sensors like digital radar warning receiver, missile approach warning system, integrated electronic warfare systems has been developed and will be integrated in LCA projects before integrating into the AMCA fighters. DRDO aims to field situational awareness sensor fusion technology in the LCA-MK2 fighter program and will field artificial intelligence based decision assist or automated decision making sensor fusion capabilities in the stealth fighter program. The LCA-MK2 fighter program will work as a test bed for indigenously developed sensors and sensor fusion technology, which will be eventually integrated into the AMCA program. Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and write your views and suggestions in the comments box. Jai Hind.